Hi, I'm Emily Springer with My Mini Casa. Today we're going to learn about how to use the tool, which is My Mini Casa's online sales software. And in this video, we're going to learn how to create an invoice. From the price quote information, you're able to create an invoice for the customer. In order to do so, you'd select purchase on the price that the customer has agreed upon, and you'll have to fill out a variety of information. So you'll get the customer's first and last name, their email address, and company name if that applies, the delivery address in which we wish to ship the container to, and any additional unload information the customer may have provided to you, and which way they want the doors facing, toward the cab or away. If the billing address for their payment is different than the address in which we are delivering, you'll need to deselect this box and complete this information for their address. Once that's been completed, you'll select Continue. You have an option here to verify the information, make sure that the customer gave you everything, that we have it in correctly before we send the box out, and then select Purchase. This is the order ID. An email was sent out to the customer with their invoice. This is the number that you would use in the system to pull this order back up for your customer.